3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, welcome to Daily Essentials. So myself Anisha Mehta, and today I am going to teach how you can prepare the foot soak or the bath salt. Right, both have different measurements and items. So I am preparing the foot soak. So here I have borax. Borax we need to add 100 grams. These all are touch free. We can touch them from our hands or fingers, or you can use spoon as well. Okay, so this is 100. Next I will be tear the weight. Then I'll be adding the Epsom salt, that is 50 grams of the Epsom salt. Okay, so this is 50 grams of the Epsom salt. Next is Dead Sea salt. I am adding normal salt. It totally depends on you that you want to add Dead Sea salt or the normal salt. 50 grams of the normal salt I'll be adding. I'll tear the weight. I'll be adding 50 gram of the salt. Then I will tear the weight. In the notes there is mentioned 1 gram of the baking soda. It is not 1 gram, it is 100 grams. So I have taken everything 50%. I will be taking baking soda also 50%, that is 50 grams. I will be adding 50 grams of the baking soda. Okay, so now here is our base ready. Okay, so now it is ready, so we can do our alterations. Now I'll mix it properly and break all the lumps. So here I want to prepare rose foot soak or rose bath salt, you can say, but both have different ingredients, right? So this is base for our foot soak. If you want to prepare bath salt, then take the base of the bath salt. So now everything is churned properly. Okay, you can see everything is mixed properly. Everything is mixed properly. I'll be adding few rose petals. You can prepare lavender or any flavor you want. I have added few rose petals. Now I'll be adding the rose essential oil. You can add fragrance oil as well. It totally depends on you what you want to add. I prefer to add essential oil so they actually work. Okay. Now I'll mix it properly with my hands. So this is our rose foot soak ready. You can take bath salt base and prepare rose bath salt likewise. I have added the rose essential oil. You can prepare with the rose fragrance. And yeah, one more thing, don't prepare in early and keep it. Okay, you just prepare it on orders, because when we add the oil or the fragrance oils, after few months, like 1 or 2 months, oil will came out from the salts, right? So just prepare it whenever you get an order. So this is the basic rose foot soak is ready. If you want to add color, you may add few drops of color to it. I have added pink color to it, liquid color. Now I'll mix it properly. You can see the color is changing. So now it is totally up to you that you want to mix it properly or you want to keep it like this, like few is pink and few white, right? So this is our rose foot soak ready. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing for our course. Thank you.